noticed that one of the most popular videos on my channel was how to make a Venn diagram in Google Slides. And I found a better way to do it, so I'm going to update the video that I made. So the first thing you want to do is to go to View, Theme Builder. And in Theme Builder, we're going to make a new slide. So we'll just duplicate that layout. And on this slide, we can take everything out. So we're going to make a Venn diagram, so let's put a shape in. Now, the way I did it before was I used circles. This time I'm going to use these kind of rounded squares, because the circles take away a lot of space on the slide, and the rounded squares leave you with more room to write. So let's make our colors. And we'll lower the opacity on the fill. And duplicate, Command or Control D. Now I want to make a different color. Go to Custom and lower the transparency again. Okay, so now I have my two shapes. I want to make sure that they're in the center. Okay, and here we can also add a text box. So let's say if I know what will be in here, I can put the label, but I'm just going to put object 1. Maybe I want to center it. Duplicate and object 2. Okay, now let's put in the middle differences, and maybe on the bottom we can put similarities. You could even make two different shapes, two different purple shapes, and you could color code that way too. But I'm just doing this right now to just set it up for you. Okay, and now I want students to be able to type in here, so I'm going to make a text box. Somewhere there's fit to, here we go. You could do not auto fit and stretch it out. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is to X out of this. So now when I go to create a new slide, I have this, my Venn diagram, and these objects are not movable. So kids can write on them, and I don't have to worry about them moving things around. But one thing I don't like is I don't like how this just says section header 1. So I'm going to go back in. I'm going to go to Theme Builder and click here. And if I right click, I can rename the layout, and I can call it Venn diagram. I can also rename it right up here at the top of the slide. So this is how I would set up a Venn diagram now, as opposed to then.